How does a small or medium-sized business manage their cybersecurity needs in an affordable way? The answer is simple. Become a member of the Cyvatar Platform. Whether you have your own cybersecurity partner or you've hired Cyvatar to manage your cybersecurity solutions, Cyvatar Platform gives you a single pane of glass and a workflow process to manage all your cybersecurity needs in one place. We built a very easy to use platform that manages every cybersecurity issue from any cybersecurity partner, from identification of the issue to remediation of the issue. With the Cyvatar Platform membership, you can have transparency to all your managed and unmanaged issues from any cybersecurity partner in a very easy to use interface that takes an issue from unassigned to to-do to in process all the way to resolved. It helps you focus on issues that require the most attention by sorting and filtering all managed and unmanaged issues by issue ID, issue name, criticality, status, who it's assigned to, the last action, rated on, and any issues that are just assigned to you personally. It also helps you show management that your cybersecurity needs have actually paid off. The executive summary that we provide has the analytics with rising compliance and risk grades. It'll show low time to remediation and also shows the return on investment calculations for your efforts. If you have Cyvatar manage all of your cybersecurity needs and let the sidekicks handle all of the above that I just talked about, you can sit back and peacefully watch them remediate all your issues, and we will guarantee value in 90 days or less, with transparency into every action our sidekicks performing on the platform.